today we are going to deal with next problem of factorization, which is based on application of identities. The identities which we have studied in class 8. Today we are going to discuss on the identities. First identity is a plus b ka whole square gives a square plus b square plus 2ab, and the next identity is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. On this basis, we'll today solve this question. Let's see how. See, if we have to make it perfect square, okay, then it becomes x square whole square plus 2 by x square whole square. So to make it perfect square, we have to add 2 into 2 into, okay, so x square will get cut off, it will become 4. It means we have to add 4 to it, correct? So if we add 4 to it, we have to subtract also. So in the next step, what we will do, x to the 4 plus 4 by x to the power 4 minus plus 4 minus 4, okay? Okay, so it will become x square a whole square plus 2 by x square का whole square plus 2 का whole square minus 4. So it will become x square plus 2 by x square का whole square minus 4. Okay. Now let's move further. Now here, if we take it as a and take it as b, then it is a square minus b square, that is 2 ka whole square, correct? So it can be written as x square plus 1 by x square ka whole square, it will be 2, okay, minus 2 ka whole square. What does the formula say? A plus b, a minus b. It is a, it is b. So we will add it. X square plus 2 by x square, okay, plus 2 into x square plus 2 by x square minus 2. So that is how this question is solved. Okay, hope you have understood. Only what we have to do, we have to make it perfect square, and after that we have to apply these two identities. As soon as we will apply the identity, we get the factors, and hence we have got the answer. Thank you.